Hi, my name is Skylar. I am 13 years old, and unlike the other guys here, I am agender. And if you don't know what that means, it basically just means that I consider myself to be genderless. I'm not a boy, but I'm not a girl. As far as transitioning goes, I plan to make myself look a lot more gender neutral, which means getting a binder, getting a more masculine wardrobe, and getting my hair cut. And as for the binder, it was supposed to come in last week, but it never did. And I should be getting my hair cut around early to mid-March, just depending on when my hockey season gets over. I'm not out to most people yet. I'm only out to two of my friends, Cece and Dakota. My family I'm definitely not out to yet. I don't plan on coming out to them until I'm completely comfortable with myself and I am older. And I am actually not going to be posting every Friday. I'm just a sub on this channel, so that means if a guy can't make their video that week, then I will sub in for them, so I'll make a video and post it on their day. Or if I feel like I can contribute anything to this week's topic, then I'll post too. But I don't feel like that would be happening a lot, because again, I'm agender. So I don't think you could get a lot of great advice about being FDM from someone who's not personally FDM. I guess that's really all I have to say. Wow, boring. I guess subscribe to this channel. The link to my personal Tumblr will be down below. The link to the group's Tumblr will also be down below. I'll see you whenever I see you. Bye!